Hey everybody, welcome to my Nugget Shooter Journals. I'm Bill Southern and we are at Jackass Flats. And this is the AMRA outing. AMRA, American Mining Rights Association. And these good folks do a lot for us as miners. And I'm a betting without them we're going to lose our way around and won't be able to get out there because the BLM is constantly trying to shut things down for all of us. And it's hard work they do. And this is a fundraiser with a big capital fund, okay? And we'd really like to get some folks out here to help. We got some really cool prizes, but I'm gonna let Jeff talk about that. And this is Jeff from the AMRA. He's the one running this show out here.
Well, we're gonna have this is our second annual outing out here, and we're gonna raffle off some great prizes. We got the A51S dry washer from Keene, gracious to give us. Bill himself donated the metal detector that will be given away. We got the Detector event tomorrow on Saturday at 11 o'clock. Plenty of people still can come out and join that. We have the dinner tomorrow night. We still have a few spots for that. And then we're going to do a big raffle tomorrow for guns, and we're going to do it on Sunday too.
What kind of guns you got?
We got a Henry 22 and a Henry 44.
Lever action?
Lever action.
Sweet.
And they got custom AMRA on the side of them, so they're one-off guns. So come out and join us. We got shirts, hats, you name it. But the most important thing is come out and have fun. Enjoy our outdoors.
And bring your wallet, because these guys need the support, man. This is all basically your nonprofit, correct?
That's correct. We're a nonprofit, and none of us get paid. We're all volunteer our time. Okay,
so he's putting in all this time. We can spend a few minutes out here with these guys and learn more about them. Here's their sign right here, and their website is right on there. And like you said, I've been supporting these guys for many years, and I really enjoy what they do, and actually I respect it more than I enjoy it, because without these guys, we're going to be in trouble.
And Shannon Poe will be here.
Shannon will be here.
Will be here, and he will give a little speech tomorrow.
And he's a big kahuna. Okay, so anyway, my friends, that's it. This is just a quickie to make sure you make it out here. I'll put a little map up to Jackass Flats on the end of this, and it's real easy. You can even get back in here with a Class C motorhome without any trouble at all. You can see some of the rigs people have out here. You know, and on the other side, there's, I think there's a motorhome or two over there. But anyway, for now, Nugget Shooter out. Alrighty, from Morristown, Arizona on Highway 60 or 74, as you can see there, you take Castle Hot Springs Road. And you can continue on Castle Hot Springs Road until the pavement ends, where that first little marker is. And you're going to go past a big quarry on the left. You can see the scar in the earth there. And just a little ways past that quarry, you're going to see a left-hand turn. And you take that left-hand turn, and there's a AMRA little yellow sign right there. And from there, you cross the wash, little San Domingo wash, and drive up the hill, and you're going to see them on the left there and on the right. And everybody's welcome. Everybody's welcome to attend the raffle. Come one, come all. These people help us a lot, and they need our support.